Do leaky taps with limited reach leave you with a mountain of washing up to climb? Well, now there's a better way to clean everything, including the kitchen sink. Introducing TurboFlex 360 from JML, the handy flexible hose for your kitchen sink. TurboFlex quickly transforms your ordinary tap into a powerful flexible sprayer. Standard taps can leak, loosen, and have limited reach. TurboFlex 360's drip-free design twists on tight, giving you extra reach to deliver cleaning power where you need it most. The 6-inch hose is made from smart, durable steel, which flexes like rubber. Need to rinse? Switch from jet stream to wide spray instantly. TurboFlex 360 is perfect for washing fruits and vegetables, filling tall vases, quickly cleaning plates and bowls, and rinsing the sink clear when you're all done. It's a must-have for every kitchen sink, and you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Forget leaky, loose taps that are rigid and fixed into one place. Get flexible with your washing up with TurboFlex 360 from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.